Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. BD first year first semester examination. Previous paper discussing here science as a process of constructing knowledge. Part A questions. Write the differences between outlook of common person and scientist. Write any two eminent biologists and their contribution and reflection on society. Biological science for equity explain. What strategies you can take to inculcate value through teaching of science. Discuss with biological science example. Write the learning objectives in the constructive constructivist perspective. Describe the role of teacher in critical pedagogy. Write the steps for content cum methodology. Part A. Part A questions. Next one part B. Part A short answers, part B long answers. What is scientific method? Write the process of scientific method with examples. Discuss the historical development perspective of science. What is problem solving? How you develop problem solving skills among you students. Explain with the suitable activities. What are academic standards? Explain academic standards in biological science. What is pedagogical shift? Write the need of pedagogical shift in biological science. Explain planning, teaching, learning before and after shift in biological science teaching. What is science? Explain the steps for scientific method. Discuss recent advancement and research in biological science. What is pedagogical analysis? Explain the steps for pedagogical analysis for along with the biological science with examples. If you want more updates about Joy Tutorials, you can subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Before previous videos, I discussed what do you mean by science. This question came May 2017. Here and one more question also covered. That is, write the difference between the outlook of common person and scientist. December 2018. 19 here. Here, second question. Write the difference between outlook of common person and scientist. This question also covered in first video. Here, what do you mean by science? Next one, define science and explain the nature of science. This also came in 2017, May 2017. Here, this is nature of science, very important. Here, nature of science, SP Prettier TS. Science is systematized body of knowledge. Science promotes curiosity. Science is particular way of looking at nature. Science is rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science is an interdisciplinary area of learning. I given in this question here particular way of looking at nature, rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Okay, here and one more question I given here remaining points. Science is an interdisciplinary area of learning. Science promotes skepticism. Here given in a fourth answer in a interdisciplinary area and third answer ninth point here nature of science. Science promotes skepticism. This points also covered in that question answer. Okay, detail I given here. Then you will learn 3-4 points in detail. Then you will cover that nature of science answer also. Why? Because that is very important question. Science is particular way of looking at nature. Science is a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science promotes skepticism. Explained. May 2016 came this answer question in examination. And write a short note on interdisciplinary area for learning science or science is interdisciplinary. Discuss February 2018 came. Okay, you will write this point also regarding science is interdisciplinary area of learning and science promotes skepticism. This also it will come under nature of science. Okay, individual you will learn that answers and you will cover this answer also. Here, next one is a science. Science a process of constructing knowledge or science is a process of explain. This question answer March 16 came, and again recently, science is a process of constructing knowledge. Here, sixth question. Write learning objectives of constructivist perspective. Here, science is a process of constructing knowledge. Explain. Okay, here science is a process of constructing knowledge. Explain. Here came here. So this is very important. This question here. In science, experimentation and theory building complement each other. In science, experimentation and theory building complement each other. Sometimes a new experiment forces modification in an existing theory and demand the development of an altogether new theory. At other times, theoretical development in a theory predicts a new phenomenon which needs to be verified by experiment. This interplay between theory and experiment is an important aspect of scientific process. This helps in construction of knowledge. Example: in science disciplines like microbiology, the construction of knowledge relies more on laboratory experiment focused on cause and effect relationship. Example: discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Scientists for seeking solution to a problem use different methods like observation, prediction, and sometimes experimentation to study the cause and effect relationship. Scientific knowledge is the outcome of what scientists do. Outcome of what scientists do. Next one, construction of knowledge by the individual depends on his mental abilities, ability to observe, and his intelligence to process the information. Whenever we observe through our senses, information is sent to the brain, process the information, and converts into knowledge. Sensory perception or primary knowledge development. The basic unit of knowledge is fact. In science, any repeatedly verifiable observation becomes a fact. Scientific approach always is based on cause and effect relation. Example of facts are solids have definite shape and volume. The recommendations of NCF 2005 and SCF 2011 stress the construction of knowledge by learners themselves by involving them actively in various processes of science like observation, measurement, experimentation, etc. All the individual learners in the same environment, but every learner must be trying to think creatively, innovatively, and classify the different elements in nature that he observes and experiences. He should be able to link the past and present knowledge and arrive at reasonable conclusions. He should be able to link the past and present knowledge and arrive at reasonable conclusions. That's why science is a process of constructing knowledge. Next one, what is scientific method? Explain the different steps in scientific method. This question came in February 2018. Again, another way also asked here. See, what is science? Explain the steps for scientific method. Explain the steps for scientific method. Okay, this question important examination point of view. The method or procedure which the scientists use the pursuit of science may be termed as scientific method. The method or procedure which the scientists use to pursuit of science may be termed as scientific method. The development of scientific attitude, training in scientific method are two cordial aims for the teaching of science. In other words, it is a method of solving problems scientifically. Here, scientific method involves reflective thinking, reasoning, results from the achievement of certain abilities, skills, and attitudes. Definition of scientific method. According to Carl Pearson, we can remember CODT, careful and accurate classification of facts, observation of their correlation and sequence, discovery of scientific law, the final touchstone of equal validity to all. CODT, careful and accurate classification, observation of their correlation and sequence, discovery of scientific law, the final touchstone of equal validity, CODT. Then we will write definition of Carl Pearson. Steps of scientific method. Here we can remember OS, HS, ECDA. OS, HS, OS, high school, like that we have to remember OS, HS, ECDA. ECDA, OSHS, ECDA. Observation, scientific inquiry, hypothesis, selection of appropriate hypothesis, experimentation, collection of data, drawing conclusions and making generalizations, application of generalization to new situations. Observation, facts, concepts, principles. Scientific inquiry, sensing the problem, defining the problem, analytics of the problem, hypothesis or formulation of tentative solution, selection and appropriate hypothesis. Next one, collection of data, drawing conclusions, application of generalization to new situations. Here, observation here illustrate how you would promote observation. uh, March 16 came this question. Okay, here this also covered here scientific method. uh, in that scientific method, first steps, scientific method steps is observation. Here facts, concepts, principle. This will tomorrow we will discuss. Thanks for watching.